Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can block someone in Google Chat. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that you want to do is to open your Google Chat app and then go to your chat page. From this chat page, just tap on the conversation or the message or the Gmail address that you want to block. To block this person or this contact, what I'm going to do is just to tap on their Gmail address. It will then direct you to this conversation options. You'll see from this option, block, just tap on block if you want to block this contact. Blocking someone or a contact on Google Chat means that you don't want to receive message from that person. So now just tap on block. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.